In this demonstration, we're going to look at how we can create transport rules. The purpose of a transport rule is to allow us to do something to a message as it passes through the transport services. So what I've done here, I've come to my Exchange Admin Center. Within my Exchange Admin Center, I've come to the Mail Flow node. Within the Mail Flow node, I've then come to Rules. So what we're going to do now is we're going to create a new rule by clicking on the plus button. And then that'll bring us into what sort of rule do we want to create. So what we're going to do here is we're just going to create a new rule. But as you can see, we've got some templates in place here, so we can apply rights protection to messages, we can apply disclaimers, bypass spam filtering, filter messages by size, generate an instant report, modify a message, restrict managers and their direct reports, restrict messages by sender recipient, send messages to a moderator, or we can also send messages and save a copy for review. We're going to create a new rule because we want to create a blank rule. Then within the wizard, we need to create the rule itself. I'm going to call mine test transport rule. Then what we need to do here is in the apply this rule if, and if we click on the drop down, we can see that we've got a few options yet again. So we can specify the sender is a certain sender, the recipient is a certain recipient, sender is located in a certain location, recipient is located, sender is a member of group, recipient is a member of a group. We can do it on the subject of the body includes, or the sender address includes, or the address for the recipient includes, or we can apply this if any attachments content includes, or we can apply it to all messages. What we want to do at this point here is we want to go for, just for purpose of this demo, the subject or body includes. I'm going to apply this rule if we have the word password. So then we'll select the plus, and then we'll select OK. And then under the do the following, if we click on the drop down, we can forward the message for approval, redirect the message to, reject the message with an explanation, delete the message without notifying anyone, blank copy the message, and we can also append a disclaimer as well. What we want to do at this point here is we want to redirect the message to a certain user. And the person we're going to redirect this to will be administrator. So we'll select administrator, select add, and select OK. That will ensure that enforce is specified for choose a mode for this rule, but as you can see, we can test it with the tips, or we can test it without policy tips. We've also got the ability as well to audit this rule with severity level, and we can specify severity level as well. Then under more options, what we've got, if we scroll this down, is we've got when do you want to activate the rule, when do you want to deactivate the rule, stop processing more rules, do we want to defer the message? If the rule processing doesn't complete, we can specify match sender address in the message and specify header or envelope or header and envelope, and we can put some comments in place as well, because it's always good to have comments in place. So what we'll do at this point here, we'll just say activate this rule on the following date at the following time, and what we'll do is we'll select save. As we can see now, we've now got the rule in place. So the next thing we'll do here is we'll now just test our rule. So we'll come across to OWA. I've logged in as Alex. I'm going to send a new email, and I'm going to send this email to a user called Amra. And what we'll have here is we'll have rule test. And what we'll do is we'll just put some text into the message body. And what we'll say here is my password is password, and then what we'll do is we'll click the send button. So send that message off now from Alex to Amra. Next thing we'll do is we'll just log in as administrator and just verify that administrator has been forwarded the email. So now on OWA, logged in as administrator, in our inbox, what we can see here is we can see Alex Darrow, we can see rule test, and if we click on this here, what we can see is we can see that we do actually have a copy of the email that was sent to Amra. And that's the end of this demonstration of looking at transport rules. Thank you.